Ever felt like no matter what you do, people only see your flaws? Maybe it's time to stop proving and start building in silence. Because when you reappear, you won't just be different, you'll be unstoppable. Have you ever felt like the more you share your life, the more people quietly root for your failure? It's not paranoia. It's a real sociological phenomenon. The truth is, there's something powerful about going silent, disappearing, and working on yourself in the shadows. No status updates, no explanations, just progress. When you stop seeking approval and start seeking growth, you reclaim control. The key is to become unavailable, unpredictable, and unstoppable. The first step? Silence your mouth. Don't talk about your plans, your goals, or your pain. People don't need to know what's brewing. They'll see it when it's done. Next, stop living for others' opinions. The only validation you need is from the version of you that you're becoming. Imagine building your best self in private, physically, financially, mentally, and no one sees it coming. That's where your real power lies. Keep your plans hidden like passwords. Let your progress speak, not your posts. Even your pain, your tears, your late nights, your setbacks, keep them in the dark. That struggle is fuel, and it's yours alone. Because when you finally emerge, transformed and unrecognizable, it won't even matter who noticed. You'll be too focused crushing your next goal. So if you're serious about changing your life, stop broadcasting and start building. The shadows aren't lonely. They're where legends are born. Subscribe for more power-packed mindset shifts, and let's level up in silence. Together.